In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a border to a Canva image. Now I have this image just here, and what I'm about to share can work with any image that you have. It can be your own, which you've uploaded to Canva, or Canva's photos as well. But all we want to do is simply click onto our image. Then if we look up the top to this toolbar, we can see this just here, and if we hover over that, it says border style. Now if we click on there, we're going to have a few different options with the border style. So this one is solid, this one is dotted, and these ones are dotted as well. Now to make the border thicker, we can simply click on this bar and drag up. We can also change the color by going next to it to where it says border color, and if we click on there, we can literally choose any color that we want from the default colors just here, or we can add our own color by clicking on this little plus icon and putting in the hex code. Now for this example, let's go with this red color, and now that's been changed to red. So that's just how simple it is to add a border to a Canva image here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.